students, good morning and Jai Hind to all. Welcome to Saraswati Sisukul Bhagwala Bosar English Medium Standard First Subject EVS. Okay students, I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Okay, and all of you are doing your best. Okay, so what we learned in our previous video? So in our previous video, I have explained the chapter, that is chapter number 4, ANIMALS, animals, AROUND, around, US, us, animals around us. Okay. So as I explained earlier, that we find many animals around us. Okay. We find domestic animals. Okay, and we learn about domestic animals as well as wild animals, right? And why we kept these domestic animals? Okay, so we kept it because they are very useful to us. They help to us. Okay, that's why many people they kept domestic animals such as cow, buffaloes, horse at their home as well as on their farms. Okay, so today we will recall first whatever we have discussed in our previous video. Okay, next we are going to revise about first domestic animals and then wild animals. Okay, so what we learn about domestic animals? So domestic animals, they are, why we kept them, why many people kept them at their home or on farms? Because domestic animals, they are useful to us in many ways. Okay, how they help us? So many animals like cow and buffaloes, they give us milk. Okay, cow and buffaloes give us milk. Sheep and goats give us meat. Bullocks are used to plow the fields. Okay, bullocks are used to plow the fields. Then after, sheep and rabbits, they give us wool, and bees that give us honey. Okay, so these animals are useful to us in many ways. Okay, apart from that, we can see that camels, horses, they are also used to pull the carts. Okay, camels, horses and bullocks, they are also useful to pull carts. Okay, and these animals, they help us. That's why many people kept them. Okay, and these domestic animals, they are kind and obedient. In the same way, we can also we can say them obedient and gentle. Okay, so domestic animals, they are gentle as well as obedient, right? Now we will learn about wild animals. So wild animals, they are generally ferocious. Okay, they are generally ferocious. They do not like to be with humans. Okay, that is why they live in forest. Okay, then we can see this animal means wild animals like tiger, lion, giraffe, elephant. We can see them only in zoos as well as in national park. Okay, so in zoos and national park, who take care of these animals? So there is a person named, they known as caretakers. So caretakers, they feed these animals. Okay, caretakers, they feed these animals in a zoos and national park. Apart from that, we learn about veterinary doctor. In short form, we can say them vet. Okay, so veterinary doctor is a doctor for animal. They check their health, okay, and give them injections and medicines, okay, if the animals fall sick. So veterinary doctor is a doctor for animals, and caretaker is a person who looks after animals. Okay, so till here we have discussed in our previous part. Today I am going to explain next part of this chapter. Okay, so everyone open vision book on page number 196. Okay, now we are going to learn about pets. Okay, A pet dog is like a family member. If you have noticed that many people get dog, parrot as their pets in their home. Okay. So and many people also get dog also. So dog, this pet is also considered as their family member. A pet is an animal we keep and care for at home. Okay. So generally if we keep them in our home as a pet, so it is necessary that we should take care of these pets. Okay. Pets make us happy. The most common pets are dogs, cats, fish, rabbits, parrots and parakeets. Okay, parakeets is also a bird like parrot. So many people pet dog, many people pet such as dog, parrot, parakeets. Okay, so they are called pets. Some people also keep squirrels and white mice as pets. Okay, many people kept dog, cat, rabbit, but some people they kept fish, squirrels, okay, and white mice. People usually buy a pet animal from a pet shop. Okay, people usually buy these pets from a pet shop. So from where we get these pets? So we should buy them from pet shops. Okay. Dogs are called man's best friend. Okay. If you have noticed that many people kept dog as their pets. Okay. So these dogs they are called man's best friend. Why they are called man's best friend? Let's see. Because they obey their masters and guard their homes. Okay. Why they kept dog? Because dogs obey their masters. Means whatever their masters told, masters tell or suggest them, dogs always follow his master's rule or suggestion and guard their house. Guard their house. Guard means to keep watch on their house. Okay, that is why dogs are called man's best friend. Trained dogs guide blind owners to walk safely. Trained dogs guide blind owners to walk safely. There are also trained dogs. Okay, and how these trained dogs are useful to us? So these trained dogs they help to blind person to walk safely. Blind means a person who is not able to see. So how can they walk? So at that time these trained dogs they help them to walk safely. Okay, that is why dogs are called man's best friend. Some types of dogs are trained to help the police. Okay, and these dogs, sometimes these trained dogs they also help to the police. Pet cats are also very useful. Okay, many people kept cats as their pets. Okay, so parrots, mice, squirrel, rabbits. So these are pets. So it is necessary that we should take care of these pets. But how we should take care? So let's see. We must take good care of our pets. We must take care of our pets. Okay? If we kept them in our house, we should take care of them. Okay? We should take care of them. Then after, pets must be taken to the veterinary doctor regularly. Pets must be taken to the veterinary doctor regularly. If we are kept them in our house, it is our duty. If these pets they fall sick, it is our duty that we have to keep them with veterinary doctor for the checkup. Okay, if they fall sick. So this is also one way to take care of them. Pets must be given good food and clean water. Okay, so we should give them good food and clean water to drink. Pets must have their own clean place to rest and sleep. Pets must have their own clean place to rest and sleep. So we should give or we should provide them a good place and a good place for rest and sleep. Okay. The water in the fish tank must be changed regularly. The water in the fish tank must be changed regularly. So many people they kept fish in their house, in the aquarium. Okay. So it is our duty. It is our duty that we should change the water in the tank regularly. Okay. We should change the water regularly. Okay. So these are the ways. This is how we should take care of our pets if we kept it in our home. Okay. So what we learned today? So today we learn about pets. Okay. In pets animal, a dog. A dog is like a family member. Okay. And dogs are called man's best friend because a trained dog helps to blind person to walk safely, as well as dog they obey their master's advice. Okay, and train their and guard their house. Okay, some people they kept cat, and cats are also useful to us. That's why many people kept cats in their house as pets. Okay, so cats are also very useful because cats speak to the mice. Okay, and it is our duty that we should take care of these animals. We should provide them clean and safe area to rest and sleep, as well as we should give them good food and clean water, as well as we should take them to the veterinary doctor for the checkup regularly. And some people they kept fish, so we should change the water in the fish tank regularly. Okay, so these are about pets that we learn today. Okay, so which are the pet animals or birds? So parrot, pigeon, squirrel, mice, dog, cat. These are pets. Okay, and one more is parrots. Parrots is also one bird like parrot. Okay, so here our chapter explanation is completed. All of you have to learn and read this chapter.